Good morning, children. In the last class, we started the second chapter, that is a playing with the numbers, right? So playing with the numbers in the last class only I started. In that we solved that do you remember problems, right? So page number 21, do you remember problems? That in the first main completing. That is first main is the find the factors of the following numbers, right? So we solve that finding that factors of that each and every number, and how to find that factors I told, and what's the difference between a factors and multiples I told in the last class only, right? Even I given a homework to write that one difference between those two, multiples as well as the factors, that is a 2 times or 5 times. Okay, so how to be thorough with the difference between the factors as well as the multiples, then only you can recognize that whether it is a factor or not, right? So if anyone told to write multiples as well as the factors, then you are able to write that one. Otherwise it's a very difficult to write, right? So that's why be thorough with that difference. Okay, even we solved that first main. Now we go for the second main, that is class 6th, subject is maths, page 29. Okay, so here in this we are solving the second one, that is first one is, what is that first question? Which of these numbers have a exactly 3 factors? Okay, first you have to write the factors, after that count the number of factors, then which are having a exactly 3 factors. Okay, then you have to say this is having a 3 factors and this is not having a 3 factors, like that you have to write answers. Okay, in second main we are solving the second main now. Okay, in second main we are solving the, so first here, that is 4 is there, agree, here 4 is there. So what are the which of these numbers have a exactly 3 factors they are asking here, means 3 factors here means write the factors of a 4, factors of factors of 4. What are the factors of 4? That is start with the 1 only. 1 is a factor of every number. Okay. Next. After that 2. Next is 4. Only 3 are the factors, right? For 4, only 3 are the factors. So what it means? This 4 number. So therefore 4 is containing 3 factors. Okay. 4 is containing a 3 factors. Like that we have to write here. 4 is containing a 3 factors. Okay. Next, after that 36. Write the factors of 36. After that you have to decide whether it is having a 3 factors or not. Okay. For that you have to write first factors. 36. Write the factors of a 36. What are the factors of 36 here? First is a 1. Second one, what are the factors? 2. Right? Next 3. Yes. 4. Yes. 5. No. 6. Yes, it is 6 is a factor. After that 7. No. 8. No. 9. Yes. 9. Okay. Up to 10 we have to recall. We have to verify every number. Okay. After that, see here. 2. How much are 36 to 12 are. Sorry, not 12 are. 2 18s are. Next 3. How much are 36? 3 12s are. 4. How much are 36? 9s are. Already written. Okay. So these next last number is 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 18, 12, 36. These are the factors of 36. These are the factors of this 36. Okay. So how many are there? 3, 6, 9. So this is containing 9 factors, not 3 factors. Not 3 factors. This is not containing a 3 factors. This is containing a 9 factors. Like that you have to write here. Okay. Next problem. 25. Write the factors of a 25 first. Write the factors of a 25. Third one is 25 factors. What are the factors of 25 here? Factors of 25. That is 1 next. 1 after that. What is the number? 25 is there. So factors are 1, 5, next 10. No. After that, no one is there. So here 5, 5 is 25. After that only 25. So 25 is containing 3 factors. 25 is containing 3 factors. 25 is containing 3 factors. Getting everyone? Okay, fine. Go for the next one. That is which one? Which number is given? 15. Okay, 15. These are the problems from the do you remember? That is page number 21 I am solving. Understood? No, everyone? Okay. Next one is the 15. So write the factors here. Factors. What are the factors here? 1. Next 3. After that 5. Only this much, right? After that 15 is a factor of itself. Means it is containing a 4 factors. So write here 15 is containing 4 factors. Okay. Next after that. Solve for the fifth one. What is the fifth question? 49. 49 here. Factors. Factors are 1, 7, next no number is there. So directly you can write as 49. Okay. So that is 49 containing 3 factors. Okay. 49 containing 3 factors. Next. Sixth one. Sixth one is 10. Write the factors. Factors is equal to 1. Next 2. After that 5. Only 10. Means 10 containing 4 factors. Okay. 10 containing 4 factors. They asked which of these numbers have exactly 3 factors. Which of these numbers have exactly 3 factors. Okay. See here. Which are having the 3 factors? We formed already the factors, right? That is the first one, 4. After that 36 not and 25. 1, 5, 25. That is 25. Next fourth one, 15. No. 49. Yes. So these are the 3 numbers having exactly 3 factors. Other than all the numbers are having more than 3 factors. Okay. Only these 3 numbers having 3 factors. Exactly 3 factors. Other than this number having more than 3 factors. Getting? Okay. Next go for the third main. Third main is choose all the numbers from the following numbers that are not multiples of a 6. Okay. Choose all the numbers from following numbers that are not a multiple of 6. Choose all the numbers from following numbers that are not a multiples of a 6. So they given some numbers here which is not a multiple of a 6, that we have to select here. Okay. What are the numbers they given here? First write down. What are the numbers they given here? Third name. The given numbers are here 30, 44, 39 and 18, 1, 72, 12, 64, 56, next one 94, 60, 21, 216, 108. Okay. So 30, 44, 39, 18, 1, 72, 12, 64, 56, 94, 60, 21, 216, 1082. These are the numbers they given here. We have to choose the numbers which are the multiple of a 6. Which are the multiple of a 6, that we have to choose here. That are right here. Answer is multiple of 6. Multiple of 6. Means multiple of 6 are here. 6 are which are divisible by 6, no? That number, all the numbers are multiple of the 6. It's understood. Okay. So which number are divided by the 6? That number are all are called the what? Multiple of a 6. So here 30. 30 is divided by 6. Yes, it is a multiple of 6. 30. Next 44. Whether 44 is divided by 6? No, we'll get a reminder as a 2, right? So it is not a multiple of a 6. Next 39. Go for the 39. Whether 39 is a multiple of a 6? Yes. No, sorry. 39 is there. So again we'll get a reminder as a 3 here. So it is also not a multiple of a 6. Next 18. Yes, 6 3 is a 18. So this 18 is the multiple of a 6. 1. 1 is a whether multiple of a 6 it is. 1 is a multiple of a 6. No, it is not a multiple of 6. Then this 1, right here 1. Sorry. It is not a multiple of a 6. Okay, next 72. 72 means 6 ones are 6, 1 left and 6 to the 12. Yes, it is a multiple of a 6. Okay, that is right here 72. Next 12. Yes, 64. 6 8s are no. Then no, it is not a multiple of a 6. Leave that now. 56. No, it is not a multiple of 6. 94. 6 1 is 6. No, it is also not. Okay, next 60. Yes, 6 10 is 60. 60 is a multiple of 6. Next 21. 21 is a multiple of 6. No, it is not a multiple of 6. Leave that one. Next 216. 6 3 is a 18. 3 left. Then become a 36. Then 6 6 6 is a 36. Yes, 216 is the multiple of a 6. Next 1082. 1082 means here divide 1082 divided by 6 means 6 ones are 6, here 4 left, 6 8s are 48, here 2. No, it is a not a multiple of 6. This is also not, this is also not, and here also not. Okay, only 1 2 here, this one right, 4 5 6. How many written? 6. 6. These are the multiple of a 6 from these given numbers. Whatever the numbers they given, no, from that only we have to choose. Don't write your own number here. Okay, we know many multiples of a 6, but we can't write here. Okay, whatever the numbers they given, no, in question, from that we have to choose whether it is a multiple of 6 or not, like that. Only you have to choose a multiple of a 6 here. So these are the multiples of 6. Understood? Okay, go for the next question. That is a fourth main. Which of the following numbers are prime numbers? I hope everyone know the prime numbers. Which of the following are prime numbers? Prime numbers means the number which is divisible by itself and 1. Prime number definition. Prime number means the number which is divisible by the number which is divisible by 6 is called the number which is divisible by 6 is called prime number. The number which is divisible by is called sorry divisible by itself and 1. Okay, the number which is divisible by itself means whatever the number given now, that number is divisible by itself only. That we know everyone. Okay, so the number which is divisible by itself at 1, that number is called as the prime number. Means that number is not divisible by any other numbers, only it is divisible by these two, itself and 1. That is the fact here. Okay, it is not divisible by any number, so that number is called as the prime numbers. Okay, I'll give an example, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, next 9, not 9 because 9 is divisible by 3, it is not prime number. After that 11, like that. Okay, so here only one is the even prime number. See here, even prime number. Even prime number is 2. Even prime number is 2. Only even prime number is 2. If anyone asks you, okay, that is which is a even prime number. Okay, only except 2, all are odd numbers only here. All are odd prime numbers. Okay, only 2 is the even prime number. Okay, if anyone asks you which is the even prime number, then you have to say 2 is the even prime number. Only 2 is the even prime number. Left except these 2, all are remaining are odd prime numbers here. Getting? Okay. So fourth main is which of the following numbers are prime numbers? You have to decide here. Fourth main, first one. What they given? Fourth main, first one, 5 number. Whether 5 is a prime number? Yes, 5 is divisible by 1 and 5 is divisible by itself. That is 5. Okay. Any number is divisible by, see here, 5. 5 is divisible by any other number? No. It is not divisible by any other number. Only 1 and 5. Okay. So it is a prime number. Second one. What is the second question? 7. 7. Whether 7 is a prime number? 7 is a prime number or not? Whether 7 is a prime number? Yes. 7 is a prime number. Third one. 8. Whether 8 is a prime number? 8 is a prime number? No, because 8 is a divisible by which number? 8 is a divisible by 2 and 4. Okay, so it is not a prime number. It is not a prime number. Fourth one. What is the fourth one? 9. 9 is also not a prime number. Fifth one. What is the fifth one? 24. It is also not a prime number. 29. Check. 29. Yes, it is a prime number. 35. Whether 35 is a prime number? No, it is not a prime number. Because it's a divisible by 5, 7. Okay. So next 8 one. What they given 8 one here? That is 39. 39. Yes, it is also not a prime number. Why? Because 39 is divisible by 13. 1 3. 13 is a 39. So it is not a prime number. Not a prime number. Ninth one. Ninth one. 28. 28 is also not a prime number. It is also not a prime number. Next, 10th one. 61. 61. Whether it is a prime number? Yes, it's a prime number. It is because it's not divisible by any other number. Only 1 and 61. Okay. Wait. 13 7 how much? No, it is not a division. 23, 21. Yes. No. Yes. It is a prime number. Okay. So next after that 79. Check whether 79 is a prime number. Yes, it's a prime number. Prime number. Last one, 12th one. What is the 12th question? 12th one here. 59. Whether 59 is a prime number? Yes, it is a prime number. Yes, it is a prime number because 59 is not in any table. Okay, so it is also prime number. So these are some we written whether it is a prime or a not prime we written here. Okay. Next go for the fifth main. Which of the following are composite numbers? Composite numbers means okay, except these prime numbers, left all numbers are called as the composite numbers. Okay, which is not prime now, that is all are called as the here not prime. Not prime is it's a composite number. Which is not a prime number, that is called as a composite number. Okay, now do fifth main. So better I write like this here. Fifth main here prime number and here composite number means not prime number. Okay. So I'll just write down the numbers here. Okay. So for that first one 39. Whether 39 is a prime number? No, it is not a prime number. Then it is a composite number because 13 is a 39. Okay, so that is first one here. Next 47. 47 is a prime number. Yes, it's a prime number. So second one right here 47. After that 65. 65 is a composite number. 65. 103. 103 means it is a prime number. 103. Next fifth one it is a composite number because 13 sevens are 91. Okay. So next 88. 88 is also composite number. And next seventh one also composite number 78. And 49. Yes, it's a composite number. 49 is a composite number. Next after that this is 113. So it is a prime number. It is not used by any number. Okay. So next one go for the that is x here. That is 343 is there. 343 means it is divisible by which number? 7. No. 3. 3 is the no, not 3 is the 21. 21 is the 53. 21. No, it is also not divisible by 3. See, yes, 343 is also prime number. Okay. Next here 11 112 is a composite number. Next 143. 143 is divisible by not 3. Yes, 6 also not. And 7 also not. Yes, it is a 143 is also it is a prime number. Okay. So just I divided which are the composite number and which are the prime numbers here. They told only write a composite number. So this is the answer. I written extra part here. Okay. That is for your knowledge. Getting? Okay. So next go for the sixth main. Separate even numbers from odd numbers. Okay. Means odd number and even number you have to separate. Like this only. Prime number, composite number number will be written, no? Like that, so put a column here, that is an even number, here odd number, then write the numbers. Okay. So start with sixth main now. Last main of the, do you remember? Sixth main here, even numbers, here odd numbers. Okay, here even numbers, odd numbers, and just make a column here. Using a scale, you have to do this one. Okay, right. 17 is odd number. 28 is even number. 32 even. Odd is 39. Next 47. After that 89. Next 90 here. Next 93 here. 96 here. 109 here. Okay. Next 112 here. 1732 here. 8172 here. 813 here. 719 here. 812 sorry. 812 here. 602 here. 515 here. 214 here. 413 here. 314 here. Next 517. Okay. So these are the even numbers, here odd numbers. This is a even number, that is a odd number. Getting everyone? So we completed up to do you remember? Okay. So next, in the next class we'll solve that order of operation and simplification of a brackets. Okay. We'll discuss about the in the next class, that is the order of operation as well as the simplification of a bracket in the next class. Okay. Today we completed, that is the do you remember problems. Okay. So homework is solve that first main to sixth main in a HW. In HW, you have to solve the do you remember problems from first main to last sixth main. Okay, that is page number 21. In page number 21, you have to solve all the first main, second main, third main, fourth main, fifth main, sixth main. How I written on the board? No, that should, okay, that time you have to write in the CWR, sorry, HW also. Okay, first write it in a HW, after that write it in a CW. Don't write directly in a CW. Getting everyone? Okay, fine. We'll meet in the next class. Till that, be safe in your home. Okay, thank you everyone.